Hello and welcome back to Frappe ERP Next course. In this section, we will discuss Frappe dashboards. Dashboards are generally used for visualizing our module data. So we will get a complete idea about a module and we can graphically visualize the data present in each doc types. So let's see how to create a dashboard in Frappe. Let's open the web application and I'll show you one example dashboard. Click on accounting. And here in shortcut we can see dashboard. Here you can see that accounting dashboard, and on top we can see different number card, and below that we can see different charts. So this is an example dashboard which is present in ERP Next. Let's discuss the cards. In first card you can see total outgoing bills, and this will return the total amount of outgoing bills. And in second we can see total incoming bills, and here we can see that total amount of incoming bills, and so on. In chart section we can see different graphs and graphical representation of our doc type data. Now let's see how to create a dashboard in our programming workspace. So for that, let's open build, and you can see dashboard in view. Click on that. This is the dashboard list. I'm going to add a new dashboard, and let's add a name, programming dashboard. Then here we can add charts in this child table, and different cards in this cards child table. So right now I didn't create any cards and chart. So before creating a new dashboard, we should create charts and number cards. Let's open a new tab and create a new number card. Search number card here. Let's add a new number card. Label. Let's add card 1. Then document type is our server side scripting. Select that. Then here I'm going to use this number card for count function. So we can add different functions here. So this card will return the count of server side scripting documents. Let's select count in function. I am not selecting this show percentage status. Let's untick that. Then click on is public, and let's make it as a standard number card, and it should be belongs to our programming module. Select programming module, then click on save. Now we successfully created our first number card for our programming dashboard. Let's go back to programming dashboard and add a new row in cards. Select number card 1. Sorry, card 1. Then make it as a default dashboard and click on is standard. Then select programming module. Save this. Shows a programming dashboard already exists. So let's change the name, dashboard demo. Then again save. To view this dashboard, just click on show dashboard button. It shows one message because we didn't add any chart to this dashboard. Let's close this, and on top we can see our first number card, and the name is card 1, and it shows the number of documents present in server side scripting. So let's see server side scripting list view. Go to server side scripting and select all. We can see 13 items selected, so the count should be 13. That count we can see here. Now let's see how to add a chart into this dashboard. Let's open dashboard chart list and create a new dashboard chart. Let's add a name, dashboard chart 1. Chart type should be count. Then document type is server side scripting. Based on created on, let's check is public and is standard. Then select module, programming module. I'm not changing any time span or time interval here. The type should be line. Then click on save. Now we successfully created our first dashboard chart. Let's add this chart into our programming dashboard. Go back to programming dashboard demo. Then click on chart and select our dashboard chart 1. We can adjust that width. Let's change to full width and save this. Then click on show dashboard and reload this. Now it shows loading. Here on top we can see different filters. Using this filter we can filter out based on yearly, quarterly and monthly, and in this filter we can select a range or last year, last quarter or last month data, and in this option we can fetch a particular document based on ID or age or like that. And in menu we can refresh this chart, reset chart and edit chart. That options is here. And if we want to go the server side scripting list, just click on this button. The dashboard still shows loading because of wrong selection of this filter. Let's change this yearly to monthly. Now we can see our line graph here. So this is how we can add a chart in dashboard. We can also import graph from reports. Let's see how to import a graph from report. In report section, we have created a chart in server side scripting doc type. So let's go to server side scripting list and go to report. Then click on server side scripting script report. Here we can see a graph and which shows the age less than 45 and age greater than 45. Now I am going to import this graph in our programming dashboard. So for that, let's open a new tab, then go to dashboard chart, then add a new dashboard chart. Let's add a name, dashboard chart 2. Then make this as a standard chart and select programming module. Click on is public. Then type should be bar. Then select chart type report. Here I am going to select our server side scripting script report. Select that report. I am not using this x axis and y axis. Just click on use report chart, then save this. We can directly add this chart to dashboard by click on this add chart to dashboard button. Let's click on this and select our programming dashboard demo, then click on submit. And here we can see a confirmation message, dashboard chart is added to programming dashboard demo. Then close this, then go back to our dashboard, reload this page. And here we can see our dashboard chart 2, and which shows the bar diagram of age less than 45 and age greater than 45. So we fetch these values directly from our server side scripting script report. So this is how we can add charts from reports. From this lecture, we have seen how to create a dashboard in TrapAI ERP Next. Before winding up this lecture, let's add this dashboard to our programming module. So let's open build, then go to workspace. This is our programming workspace. Open that. In shortcut, let's add a new row and select dashboard. Then link to programming dashboard demo. Select that. Then add a label dashboard. Save this. Go back to home page. Reload this. Click on programming workspace, and here we can see the dashboard shortcut. Open that. Now we can see our cards and different charts. Let's wind up this lecture and see you on the next lecture. Bye.